Hi everyone. The first method we'll be looking at is using the gradient and y-intercept to graph the equation of a straight line. So your equation must be in the form of y equals mx plus c. So if it's not, you need to rearrange it to get it into this form. We're going to start off with a nice easy equation. So let's use y equals 2x minus 1. We can see that our c value is -1 and that is our y-intercept. So let's go ahead and put a point at our y-intercept of -1. We only need one more point now to be able to graph this line, and we're going to use the gradient to help us do that. So the gradient is 2, which is our m value, and it's positive. So a positive gradient means if we look from left to right, the line will be sloping upwards. We know that gradient is calculated by rise over run. Now we can write 2 as a fraction, 2 over 1. So that means from our y-intercept, we need to go 1 unit to the right and 2 units upwards to find the next point. Here it is. Let's put a point here. So our next point on this line is at 1, 1. Now that we have 2 points, all we need to do is draw a line through them. And there we have it. That is method 1. Method 2. In this method, we find the x and y intercepts of our straight line, and then we can graph it. The advantage to this method is that the equation can be in any form, although we will keep using what we had before, so y equals 2x minus 1, just so we can see how to achieve the same result using a different method. So let's calculate the y-intercept. We do that by letting x equal 0 because at every point on the y-axis, the x-coordinate is 0. So we get y equals 0 minus 1, which is -1. So let's put that point on our Cartesian plane, and we see that is the same as before. Now let's find the x-intercept. We do that by letting y equal 0, because at every point on the x-axis, the y-coordinate is 0. So we get 0 equals 2x minus 1, which gives us 2x equals 1, so x equals half, or 0.5. That is our x-intercept. Let's go ahead and put that on our Cartesian plane as well. 0.50 is our coordinate, and now that we have 2 points, we can simply get our ruler out, draw a line through these 2 points, and there is our straight line, and we can see that it is the exact same as before. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you have got a better understanding of how to graph straight lines. Feel free to leave a comment or a request, and we will see you next time.